Hey corset lovers, welcome to your favorite space for corset wit, wisdom, and timeless truths. My name is Cindas and I've been wearing corsets since 2013 and sharing my journey with you along the way. My corset diaries are available for exclusive members, so click join or check the description. All right, today we're going to talk about 8 reasons to lace up when you are bloated but still booked. And you can take booked however you like. Appointments, busyness, you are booked and you are bloated. So let's get into it. Teaches your body patience during discomfort. Nobody in their right mind likes any type of discomfort. I think it's human nature. It's the fact that we don't like discomfort. We like comfortability, we like familiarity, and just being bloated is not one of those freaking things, right? But the fact that you are still booked means you're doing something right. For me, when I get bloated, it's usually because I'm talking way too fast. I've eaten the wrong thing. I've drank something fizzy. I've mixed fruit. Like the other day, I had grapes with berries. Who knew? Who knew that would bloat the shit out of me? And there are I think different types of bloating, right? Because the bloating that I had with the grapes and the berries, that was a very, very discomforting bloat. And I did put my corset on and I was like, okay, let me see if it helps, push things down and stuff, like the way corsets usually do when I'm bloated. No. The pain was too intense that I had to take off my corset and just let my body figure its life out because it was just doing way too much. But when you are bloated in a sense that you are not bloated because of fermentation, but you are bloated because you drank something due to air. Let's just say due to air or cramping. I find it very comforting and also helpful when I put my corset on, especially when I know I have errands to run or I'm just booked in general. The corset pressure is pushing down on my stomach and it just helps relieve gas, any air bubbles. It flattens out my tummy like crazy. And I don't think there has been a time where I was bloated, not in pain, just bloated, and I put my corset on and it didn't help. So it always helps. But the fact that you're bloated, you're already in discomfort. So when you put your corset on, corsets in general, for me, they teach me discipline and patience. I'm the last person to have any patience, but my corset journey has really taught me patience. Putting on the corset, taking off the corset, results with the corset, you know what I mean? So when you're in a discomforting situation, such as being bloated, putting on your corset calms you down, makes you at least for me, it makes me feel okay, I need to chill, I need to relax. And that's what patience is all about. So easier said than done, I know. So you've got an appointment and you are bloated as hell. You need to put on your corset to reduce gas and flatten the puff. You don't want things not fitting properly or you feel sluggish, or the worst thing ever is when you go somewhere and you have to pretty much hide your farts. You have to go in a place because your stomach is just rumbling like crazy because you've got so much air and gas in there and you didn't take the time to fix it. And now you're going onto the balcony and you're trying to get away from everybody, especially maybe your date or something, and you have to fart. It just works when I'm not feeling my best. Putting on a corset really flattens out my stomach and it makes me not gonna lie, it makes me really confident because when I take the corset off, my stomach is flat. I don't have that puff anymore from the gas. Yeah, maybe I did, let some air out here and there, but at least it wasn't while I was booked, while I was on my date, while I was busy doing whatever it is that I needed to do. The third one is it forces lymphatic drainage. So I learned this actually pretty recently with waist trainers. Someone was talking about waist trainers and I was like, that's what corsets do too, I feel. So you know how the pressure is pushing down on, it's pushing down on our nerves and our intestines and everything. So it's doing a slight, I want to say a slight lymphatic drainage because it's just pushing everything either up or down, I think. And where the corset stops, like where my corset stops, I believe that there's the nerve endings, like the lymph nodes. And I just think that it's really good to, one, massage yourself in your lymph node area, but also when you put your corset on, it's kind of like, it kind of does it for you in a sense, because it's just like pushing everything down and just making everything feel better. How else can I say it? Making everything feel better. Your lymphatic nervous system is, from what I've learned, it's like the sewage drain for your body. The lymphatic system is like just pushing out all of the gunk. It needs to be taken care of with corsets sometimes. So it makes every outfit look and feel like it's meant to. So when I'm bloated and I know I have somewhere that I need to go, putting on my corset, just like I said earlier, it just makes me feel like way more confident, especially like in my outfit. Like if I'm wearing like a really tight bodycon dress or something, or I have a shirt and a skirt and it's gonna like show my belly a little bit, I want it to be flat AF. So putting on a corset before I put my outfit on really helps ensure that that outfit is gonna look A1. Because the worst thing ever is you don't feel your best, you feel hella bloated, and you have to go somewhere. You put on your outfit and you're like, God damn, I look like shit, but I still have to go. I'm booked. I mean, what's worse than that? Maybe cancer. Maybe. All right, the next one is encourages mindfulness and body awareness. So when I'm bloated and like I'm just like staying at home, I'm not doing anything. Like there are times honestly where like I just don't care. Like if I'm bloated, I'm bloated. What am I gonna do? If I have my corset on, I have it on. If I don't want to put it on, it's not going on. But that's not really what we're about. We're about encouraging that mindfulness and being bodily aware, being self aware with our body, knowing what noise our stomach just made or what noise our knee just made, and knowing what to do about it if we need to do anything about it. So when you put your corset on when you're bloated, you will hear a lot of different noises and slushes and just interesting sounds that you might not have been aware of if you didn't have your corset on while you were bloated. Yesterday, I told you I was pretty bloated from the grape berry situation. And I put my corset on and my stomach started to make like really weird, awful noises. But I was like in too much pain, so I had to take it off, right? But then I started looking up and I was like chat GPTing, okay, there's a noise coming from my lower left stomach area. What does that mean? And that signifies something different than, say, what a noise would be if it was coming from the upper left part of my belly area. So wearing a corset really pushed me, forced me, made me realize that I was not aware of my body until I started wearing my corset, especially while I was bloated. I don't know, it just like does something to you where you just become more aware of yourself, if that makes any sense. Like me sitting here with my corset on, I can't slouch. I mean, I could, but it's not comfortable. I have to, sit properly, sit up straight. And not a lot of people know that or feel that or act upon that when they don't wear corsets. I myself am included. The next one is tightens the silhouette and reminds you who the fuck you are. So, I mean, I feel like I look pretty good, especially with this corset on. Hopefully one day my body actually looks like this without a corset on. That's actually my main goal with corset training. If you want to see my results, check out my exclusive membership. But sometimes when you're like bloated and you just feel like shit, just big, bulky, you feel like you can't do anything with your life even though you will be busy, you will be booked. Like, just stop fighting with yourself. Just put your effing corset on. Remember who the F you are. Tighten up your fucking silhouette. Get it in gear and go be booked. Go be busy. Don't let bloating or being bloated stop you from living your life as a booked bitch. Whenever I'm bloated, I always feel like bigger than I really am. And I forget who the fuck I am. I forget who I am and I forget how amazing I am and, beautiful I am and all of those things that I know I am deep down inside. But when you're not feeling your best, it just kind of like washes away and goes out the window. So put your corset back on, check yourself out in the mirror, figure out your silhouettes, and remember who you are. Okay, grounds nervous system from sensory overload. Oh my God, this is a huge one for me. I feel like sometimes when I have overeaten or I'm just doing too many things at once, I am extremely booked, extremely busy. I just put too much on my plate for me to handle. There's just like too much going on. Sometimes even going outside, like the colors are like so vivid. It's like, whoa, like universe chill. My nervous system sometimes can't handle so much at once, even though I always think it can. I just, putting on a corset when you feel the way I just described, I feel like it really grounds you. And again, tying this back into when you're bloated and your nervous system is like skyrocketing because it's trying to figure out how to get rid of the damn gas, right? So you put your corset back on and you just start to feel more calm. At least for me, I start to feel more calm, more grounded, more like I can handle this. It's not too much. And I don't know if it's just like looking in the mirror and being like, damn, you look good, or if it's the tight hug that the corset gives, which is just like, that nice little compression, not pain, just compression. And it's like they're saying to you, like, here, I got you, like, you got this, I got you, we got each other, like, let's get shit done. So yeah, that's how I feel about wearing my corset, especially when I'm bloated. Just taking that deep breath and reminding yourself you can do this. Be calm, be cool, be collected. Okay, lastly, it guarantees photo ready angles. Going back to that flatter stomach, no pooch, no puff, you know that you are going to be photo ready if you turn to the side, right? Sometimes I feel like I look better straight on, especially if I'm bloated, and I do not want to take a picture when I'm bloated. But wearing a corset, especially if it's like a little bit longer, well, this is a short torso corset, but if like the corset like comes down to where you get bloated, like your lower belly or your colon area right here, it pushes everything down and out. You will definitely be guaranteed photo ready angles from the side. And like sometimes if I know I'm gonna be like taking pictures or whatever, and I'm like bloated from whatever it is that I ate or did or whatever, I tighten up my corset in the back, like around here, so much more than I would wear it on a normal basis, just because I want as tight of a compression at the bottom here as I can get, even if it's for like 5-10 minutes of just like super tight compression down here. Because like, when you're hurting, you're like, you push on your stomach to try to like, get the gas out, get the air out. Well, the corset kind of does that for you. And the tighter it is, it's kind of like the harder you are pushing on your stomach. So I don't know. I hope that makes sense. It does in my head. It does for me when I am bloated. I put my corset on and I just feel like it does a whole lot better job of me pushing on my stomach. Like, okay, I'll be for real. There are some moments where if I push on my stomach, like on the bottom left, it does help, gas pass through. But then I put on my corset and it helps whatever is gurgling up in this area push in, push down. And then if I'm like paying attention and I'm aware of my body, I'm aware of, the sounds that it's making and stuff, then I know, okay, the sound just came from down here because this is digestion area. Let me take my corset off, go to the bathroom, push the gas out, and then be ready and stay booked. Let me know what tips you do when you are bloated, but you are booked and busy in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, corset lovers.